Right, exercise 4, coordinate geometry, angle between two intersecting lines. Or number 1 is just there's only one to do here. The angle between the lines y equals mx and y equals 2 minus root 3x is 45 degrees. What are the two possible values of m? Now just pause the video. Have a look at the lesson if you haven't looked at it before. And have a go at this. Okay. Now we know that the tan of 45 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3 minus m over 1 plus m outside of 2 minus root 3, or the tan of 45 degrees is equal to m minus 2 minus root 3 over 1 plus m outside of 2 minus root 3. Now tan of 45 is 1, so this just becomes 1 plus m outside of 2 minus root 3 equals 2 minus root 3 minus m, and this one becomes 1 plus m outside of 2 minus root 3 equals m minus 2 plus root 3. Alright, removing the brackets here, we get 1 plus 2m minus root 3m equals 2 minus root 3 minus m. And this one becomes 1 plus 2m minus root 3m equals m minus 2 plus root 3. Okay, so now getting the m's across, and the ones that, so this becomes 3m minus root 3m is equal to, now this one comes across and becomes 1 minus root 3. Now this one becomes across an m minus root 3m equals, now that'll be a minus 3 plus root 3. Take out m as a common factor. M outside of 3 minus root 3 equals 1 minus root 3. M outside of 1 minus root 3 equals, just keep it the same, minus 3 plus root 3. Okay. Dividing through here, m equals 1 minus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. M equals minus 3 plus root 3 over 1 minus root 3. Okay, now multiplying top and bottom by the conjugate. I'm going to do this another colour, eh? So it's going to be 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. Over here it'll be 1 plus root 3 over 1 plus root 3. So, multiplying this out, we're going to have 3 plus root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 all over 9 minus 3. This one, that's minus 3 minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 plus 3 all over 1 minus 3. Okay, now these will cancel out, and you're going to get minus 2 root 3 over, becomes 6, which is minus root 3 on 3. And this one, these 3's cancel out, and you're going to get here minus 2 root 3 over minus 2, which is root 3. And again, that's your answers, but again, this is quite interesting, and that if you drew a little diagram, okay, and we'll put in the first one, that was y equals, back here so you can see what we had, the original one. 2 minus root 3. Now the gradient of that one is going to be 15 degrees. So this will be a 15 degree line here. So we've got to go 45 degrees that way. So if we go 45 degrees that way, what will we end up with? So 45 and 15 is, you've got it, 60 degrees. So there's your 45 between them, and that's your 60, and that's this one. Now if you go the other way, if you go through 45 down here, you'll end up at minus 30 degrees. So there's minus 30 degrees there. And guess what? That'll give you the minus 30 degrees on this side.